Happy Frugal Friday, K-Squad, and welcome to Kate's Kitchen, where we don't always cook, but when we do, it's pretty darn good. Today we are kicking off Crocktober. We're gonna be doing Crockpot meals all month long. Look, if you're a person that is not in the habit of cooking habitually, like someone you're looking at right now, it might take a certain point in your life to get to that place where you're like, you know what? I do want to try new things. I do want to cook from home. Part of frugal living for me has been learning to make meals at home, to stop going through the drive-thru, to reduce doing takeout. There's a lot of money to be saved if you start learning to cook from home. And Crockpot meals are a really simple, easy, delicious place to start. Today we are cooking a ranch chicken chili, courtesy of one of my lifetime childhood friends, Janice, who gave me this recipe. Thank you, Janice. I cannot wait to taste this. Let the Crockpot cooking begin. We shall begin our tradition with the snap of the Crockpot liner. Why do I use a Crockpot liner? Why do I spend the money, K-Squad? Honestly, it's worth it in the lack of cleanup that I have to experience due to the fantastic creation of the Crockpot liner. I'm into it. If you're not into it and you want to do the cleanup, don't get one. Let's meet the ingredients. Nature's Promise chicken. This is the one that I gravitate toward. Of course, you can pick whatever you like. I have 3 chicken breasts today because I plan to share. 8 ounces of cream cheese. It's corn! Corn! Janice convinced me I must try the frozen kind. She said game changer. I said okay. Along with that, she said try the frozen onions. Again, I'm used to chopping them up. You guys have seen me cry in many videos while I do it. Today we're going frozen. Hey, let's try it. Can of chicken broth for flavor. Can of ROTEL. A can of black beans. These are 15.5 ounces. A can of cannellini beans. And a packet, in this particular situation, Hidden Valley Ranch. Jan said, go Hidden Valley. I said, you got it, girl. The chicken is in. I'm sprinkling a little on the chicken now, and then I'm saving a little. I'm gonna put some more on at the top. This was not specifically directed. It's just my gut instinct. Jan said, strain and rinse the beans. I won't let you down, Jan. Cannellini, here we come. Double dose. Double dose, name that movie. Frozen onions. Hello, corn. So tonight I'm actually doing things a little differently. I'm actually putting this in the crock pot before I go to bed. It's about 9 o'clock right now as I'm filming this and putting this together. I'm gonna cook on low per Janice's instructions for 8 hours, and I'll be getting up around 5. So I will have this ready for me in the morning when it's time to pack up and go to work. I actually suspect there will be trouble in paradise because as soon as Mr. Hannum smells this chicken tonight, he's gonna want it. And he's gonna wake me up. And he's gonna say, hey Ma, where's the chicken?
Actually, no, he'll just take off the lid himself and then he'll start eating it.
You think he'll take the lid off himself and just start eating it in the middle of the night?
You won't know which one has cat. Which one?
My secret plan is to actually bring this meal to work and have my colleagues taste test it and see what they think and see if it's actually pretty decent, and then you will know if Janice's recipe is worth your time and effort this Crocktober. I'm super excited about this because I haven't ever made a chili, and if you've seen my last 2 Crockpot videos, I'll leave them at the end of this. It's just kind of a different kind of meal for me. Often, I choose chicken. It's one of my favorite proteins. It really gives me something to look forward to when I wake up. When you're trying to save money and live frugally, you don't want to go without. Frugal living is not about going without. It's about using your resources to the fullest. It's about skimping on the things that don't matter and spending your time, money, and energy on the things that do matter so that you make your life the life that you want to live, a life where your frugality leads to not overspending and overstressing. It has really changed my life, the whole concept of living frugally. And I think that one of the things that has greatly contributed to my frugal lifestyle is learning to make meals at home that I really enjoy. And I've told you this before, but I have never been one of those people, like say you get invited to a party and people are like, bring your favorite dish or bring your specialty dish. I don't have a specialty dish. Never have. So experimenting with these kinds of things builds my confidence a little bit. And when I taste the food and realize how little effort it actually took, people call these kind of meals, they call them dump and go or throw and go. Please let me know in the comments which one you use or which one you prefer. For some reason, dump and go sounds like a dump truck just dropping stuff off, which is kind of effective, right? Because it is what it is. But throw and go just has a little bit more finesse. Oh!
What is the thing on the top? What is that?
That is a big brick of cream cheese.
It looks like if you use giant like blocks to make a wall, that's what it looks like. When you put this and you put it on the wall, that's what you get.
Like an actual brick? That's what it looks like, an actual brick.
It looks like you could put it on this wall and it would look the same. You wouldn't see the difference.
Think about this though. When we wake in the morning, this meal is going to be transformed in a matter of this. I'm going to go like this. When I whoosh my hand over, it's going to be different. Ready? Whoosh. We'll see what they think.
So, this is the famous chicken ranch chili. Of course, I went a little cheese and a little sour cream on the top, because a guy like me can't sacrifice any calories. So we're going to have a couple chips on the side. I like to put them in a bowl so that I can give it a little dip.
And now the moment of truth.
And now the moment of truth. I'm a big fan of the Crockpot, by the way, so I'm very excited about this. I love chicken. I love chili. This sounds like it's going to be delicious. It's very good. The chili doesn't overwhelm you. You get the flavor of the chicken, the corn, the tomato. It's delicious. Well done, Kate.
All right, let's try this out for Crocktober. Oh my God, this is delicious.
It's a great way to kick off Crocktober.
Thank you for indulging in my Crockpot meal.
All right, I'm very excited. That's like a really good Super Bowl thing with the chips.
Oh, I like that suggestion. Super Bowl.
2 thumbs up. Very, very good.
This is Crocktastic.
Oh my God, you guys. So good. K-Squad, I would call this a massive success. It's all gone. Hannum says bye.